What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video gonna learning how to quick edit WordPress blog posts, pages, products, all into a faster method. Imagine that you have to edit a lot of products. In my case, for example, I have to change the date into some of my blog posts, okay? So I can go to every single post, load the editor, edit, update, find a new post. It can be quite time consuming. So how to make it faster is what I'm gonna learn to this video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like this video. Then go to your WordPress dashboard. To access dashboard, the browser address bar, your domain plus WP admin, enter with login credentials, and you're gonna be able to see a page like this. Now imagine that you have to edit your WordPress blog posts. You have to add some new tag or new category. If you go to the posts page from the dashboard left sidebar of menus, posts, hover your mouse over the post title, you're going to be able to see a button called Quick Edit. Now you can quickly change, for example, the year of the published post. Imagine that you would like to change the year of the published post. You can update it like this. In this one, you would like to change the categories of the post. No problem. You can enter categories right here. Into other posts, you can click on Quick Edit and apply a new tag in the case that you want, for example. Into another post, you would like to require a password to see the post or make it private. You can click right here or do it. You would like to change the author of the post. It's also possible. You would like to change the title of the post or the slug, the permalink, the link URL of the post. But I don't recommend you change it because SEO problems, okay? Then you can change the template of the post, you can change the status of the post, pen review, draft it, or you can make the post stick, okay? So all up to you and to your needs, and you have these simple tabs. After any kind of edit, you have to click on update and it's saved. You can go to quick edit, update, it's saved. Simple, right? And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below. In the case that you have any question, don't forget to check out visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!